I just got this Nicebay hair dryer, so today we're going to unbox it together. The hair dryer comes with a user guide and it also comes with several attachments, including this diffuser, which is really important to tame those flyaways, especially if you have thick, curly, or wavy hair. We also have this smoothing nozzle, which I normally use to minimize frizz, but they also have this other nozzle that is much wider, but the opening is much smaller for more targeted drying. And all the attachments are magnetic, so it's super easy to attach them to the hair dryer. And you can also rotate the attachment to change the direction of the airflow. And I like how the power button is right on the handle where I can easily slide it on or off with my thumb. And then on the flip side of the handle, we have a temperature button in the middle and a fan speed button on the bottom. Based on the LED lights, it looks like there are three speeds you can choose from, and that's the same with the temperature button. You can set it to cool, warm, or hot. And then at the very top, we have a cool shot button that I love using to lock and set my hair after drying it. And in case any of you are curious how long the cord is, it's actually pretty generous. And the best part is that this hair dryer is really lightweight compared to most of the other hair dryers I've used.